If you're a space nerd like me, looking at celestial objects reminds me of how small and insignificant we are. It's very humbling for a big ego. Hey everybody, I'm Patrick Jones for Buzz60, but it always raises a lot more questions. Thankfully, I can answer one of those questions right now. What do things sound like in space? Most of the sounds need to be engineered into a frequency we can hear. Most recently, the European Space Agency recorded sound from Comet 67P. And here's the sound my mom made when she saw the Kim Kardashian paper magazine shoot. Oh, she's such a big fan. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.